Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. In organic chemistry, we are going to see the topic hydroxy compounds. What are hydroxy compounds are? The hydrogen in hydrocarbon is substituted by hydroxyl group, alcoholic group. So the hydrogen, one or more hydrogen present in hydrocarbon gets substituted by alcoholic group. For example, ethane in which one of the hydrogen replaced or substituted by hydroxyl group called ethyl alcohol of the formula CH3CH2OH. Here, ethyl alcohol is a common name. The IUPAC name is, here the root word, it is derived from the hydrocarbon ethane. So the root word is ethane and the suffix OL, so called ethanol is the IUPAC name of the formula CH3CH2OH. So hydroxy compounds or alcohols are the hydrocarbons in which the one or the hydrogen replaced by one or more hydrogen replaced by hydroxyl group. Here it ends with the name OL. Next one is the alcohols are classified based on the saturation and unsaturation and depends upon number of hydroxyl group present and also depends upon the OH group attached to the what carbon atom and also the presence of a benzene ring. So now we are going to see the classification of alcohol based on number of hydroxyl group present in a compound. So alcohols are classified into monohydric alcohol and polyhydric alcohol. So here the monohydric alcohol, here one of the hydrogen replaced by the one hydroxyl group is present. For example, ethyl alcohol, the one of the hydrogen replaced by alcoholic group, substituted by alcoholic group contains only one hydroxyl group. What are polyhydric alcohol is the presence of one or more hydroxyl group or alcoholic group in a compound is called polyhydric alcohol. For example, ethane diol, dihydric alcohol. So glycol, the two hydroxyl groups substituted in ethane. Next one is 1, 2, 3 propane triol, where propane in which the alpha, beta, gamma hydrogen gets substituted by hydroxyl group. This is triol or glycerol. Next one is the hexanol sorbitol, in which here 6 hydroxyl groups are present. 6 hydroxyl groups are present. So examples of polyhydric alcohol, monohydric alcohol and polyhydric alcohol. And next classification is based on the OH group is attached to what carbon atom. So alcohols are classified into primary, secondary, tertiary, that is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol. Here 1 degree alcohol where OH attached to the carbon, to that only one methyl group is present. Ethanol, ethyl alcohol. And 2 degree alcohol or secondary alcohol is OH group attached to the carbon atom. To the two methyl groups are present called secondary alcohol or propane 2-ol. And tertiary alcohol is the OH group attached to the carbon, to the 3 methyl groups are present called tertiary alcohol or 3 degree alcohol. Here it is named as 1, 2, 3. It is taken as a main chain propane 2-ol. Here it is taken as a main chain 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 propane. Here second position methyl and hydroxyl group is present. 2 methyl, 2 propanol. So 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol depending upon OH group attached to the carbon atom, to which how many methyl groups are present. Next one is the saturation and unsaturation. Here the saturated alcohol where the hydroxyl group is present, the carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized, there is no unsaturation. They're all carbon atoms are saturated carbon atom. The 4 valency is satisfied. It doesn't contain any double and triple bond called saturated alcohol. All carbon atom are sp3 hybridized. And here unsaturated alcohol where the compound which containing hydroxyl group, the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. The valency of carbon is not satisfied. So saturated and unsaturated alcohol, Here the valency of carbon is satisfied, sp3 hybridized carbon. Here the carbon valency is not satisfied, the sp2 hybridized carbon. Next one is aliphatic alcohol and aromatic alcohol. What are aromatic alcohols? Are the alcoholic compounds which containing benzene ring in its structure is called aromatic alcohol. There are two types of aromatic alcohol. The benzene ring where the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring are called phenol. There are different substituted phenols are present in the substitution in ortho, meta and para position of phenol. So phenols where the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Benzyl alcohol where the OH group is attached to the benzene ring in the side chain of the benzene ring. C6H5CH2 benzyl alcohol is side chain substituted aromatic alcohol. Here phenol is where OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. So called aromatic alcohol if an alcohol contains benzene ring in its structure. And aliphatic alcohol, the allyl and alkyl group are attached to the OH group. Alkyl group CH3CH2 ethyl OH alcohol. Here allyl group. Here this main chain taken as a lengthier chain is taken as a main chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Here second position OL is alcohol, so 2 OL, and third position the alkene is present, thereby 4 carbon atoms, so but, and third position alkyl unsaturation, so butane 3 and second position OH attached 2 all, butene 3 2 all. So aliphatic alcohol, allyl and alkyl groups are attached to the OH group, and aromatic alcohol where benzene is present in the two type, side chain substituted and directly attached. So what are alcohol and how it is classified? Alcohols are classified into monohydric and polyhydric depending upon the number of hydroxyl group. Saturated and unsaturated alcohol depends upon the double and triple bond present in the hydroxyl group containing compound. Primary, secondary, tertiary here depends upon the hydroxyl group is attached to the what carbon atom. And aliphatic and aromatic alcohols depending upon the presence of benzene ring. Thank you. Do subscribe and watch more videos.